Here we have a 1984 Buick LeSabre Limited. This car came to us just as you see it. It is on consignment with us. The gentleman that had it drove it as a daily driver up until the day he brought it here, and wanted to sell it the way it is. He understands that there's some cosmetic issues with it. You can see in the video here in the beginning the bumper filler is cracked on the front, and it is in the back as well. But you know, if you can look past a few of the cosmetic things like that, this car is actually very solid, very straight. Seems to be mostly, if not all, original paint yet. And these cars are kind of starting to come on a little bit. Some folks like to customize these either with bigger wheels or bigger motors or both. So the hot rod culture is still alive one way or the other. So this car is powered by its 5.0 V8 engine that these came with originally. Automatic transmission, of course. But again, you know, other than the bumper fillers and there's some trimmer on the vinyl top, just some cosmetic things that could be easily taken care of. But the nice thing about the car is it's not rusting out. There's no big holes or anything like that. So let's take a look at the inside here real quick. Now, of course, as I mentioned, this is a LeSabre Limited. So the Limited had the nicer pillow, kind of, I guess I'd call them pillow top or tufted seats. Yeah, look at that. The door jam's nice and dry. There's the seats that I'm talking about there, where the standard, the LeSabre Custom wouldn't have had. The seats weren't quite as comfortable in those, put it that way. And of course, it does have tilt wheel. You can see the odometer reached 31,000, so we're going to assume that it's 131,000. I'll leave that up to you to decide. It's a factory air-conditioned car. I don't know that the AC blows cold, but it everything, the components and such are there. It does have a copy of the original window sticker. You can see that as well. You notice the headliner's loose in a few spots up there. But again, the upholstery in the car, very nice. No rips or tears or stains. It appears to be a non-smoker car. It doesn't smell or have any weird odors or anything like that. So, like I say, this was his daily driver, and he just decided, it's an older gentleman, and he decided it's time for someone else to take a spin. So you can see all the still pictures of this car on our website at uniqueclassiccars.com. There you'll find photos of the underside, any other flaws. I know that there is a crack in the windshield. That is pictured as well. You can see pictures of the wheels and tires and all that stuff there. So, but again, if you look down the body lines and stuff, very straight car. These cars like to rust out. A lot of times you see some of them where they're above that chrome trim on the bottom is all rusty. This car looks to be quite solid yet. So we'll hop in and fire it up here for you so you can listen to it. Okay, let's see if she fires up. Still purring like a kitten, as they say. Door shuts nice. As I mentioned, it is powered by its original 5.0 V8. It's a 307 cubic inch. As you can see, like the LeSabre Limited should be, it was loaded up. Factory air conditioning, power steering, power brakes, cruise control. We'll walk around the back so you can hear it back there real quick. So this is the end of the 1984 Buick LeSabre Limited. You can see all the still pictures on our website at uniqueclassiccars.com. Feel free to give us a call or shoot us an email. We'll do our best to work with you.